Okay. I've just recorded the first sound effects for the video. I think that video come out tomorrow. And if something goes wrong, it comes out it's Sunday, so still doing it, still creating the elements for the video, and I need to rehearse a little bit of the text reading stuff. And I had too much coffee today, so if I make the video today, it's going to be chaotic, and I don't feel like doing it. So yeah, I'll see you this weekend, and I hope you all have a good weekend. Pet a lovely furry friend, call someone you love. I don't know, do something you like, something that makes you feel good, something that helps other people make them feel good. Yeah, I drank too much coffee. Sorry, guys. Shouldn't have drunken that much coffee. Bye.